I'm going to be showing you how to log into Zion's bank online. So it's actually really easy, so let's get right into it. So if you want to use the website, then it's pretty easy. You just need to open a browser. I'm going to be using Safari, so it's right there. Just go ahead and tap here. And once you do so, you just need to search for zionbank.com, and you should see something like this. So after here, what you need to do is focus on the top right where you can see sign in right here. Just go ahead and tap there. And once you do, you have the option to choose your destination. So if it's personal banking, then tap on personal banking. If it's business, then tap on the second option. You also have treasury, gateway, and personal mortgage. So it's most commonly personal banking, so you just go ahead and tap here. So after here, what you need to do is enter your username and your password, and you're good to go. But if you want to use an app, then you just need to find your app store or your Play Store if you have an Android. And once you do that, you just need to search for Zion's Bank. So as you can see, it's right here. Just go ahead and tap there and tap on Get. And the download process should begin, and it's pretty much the same. Just enter your username and your password, and you're good to go. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.